Ladies and gentlemen, this tutorial is set for one look. Introducing to you the broke beauty guru, the ring queen Lexa Rose, and your host for Wrestling with Beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I haven't been feeling very inspired lately, and I'm also waiting for my camera lighting equipment to start doing these at home so that I have more time to do looks. But in the meantime, I'm just going to be doing a couple of, random looks, trying out my Huda Beauty Emerald and Amethyst Obsession palettes. So as you can tell, my eyes are primed and ready to go. So without further ado, let's just get started. Of course, eyebrows are done. Everything was done off camera. We're just going to go right into it, and we're just going to hit up this light teal color, and we're just going to throw that right on the crease for a base. Okay, so now that we got that green in, we're going to just go into this darker green, and we're just going to throw that in and blend it with the teal color. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to deepen the crease, and we're just going to go right into this dark brownish greenish color, like military green, and we're just going to throw that right in to define the crease. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut the crease, and we're going to go right into our favorite concealer and just cut the crease. Okay, so what we're going to do it now is we're going to hit up this darkish kind of whatever matches this brown color and we're gonna put that right here, and then we're gonna blend it with this and this at the end towards the inner corner. Okay, next we're gonna go right into this shimmery color, and we're gonna put that on the lid. Okay, last but not least, we're going to go right into this gold shimmery color, and we're going to put that towards the inner corner. Okay, so now that we're almost done, what we're going to do is we're going to line the eyes with our Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen, and then we're going to do the rest of the face. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm getting better lighting equipment so that I don't have to rely on Mother Nature, because she's not always dependable. Okay, so now that we've got our eyes done, we're just going to grab our Fenty Pro Filter in shade 250, which is completely too dark for my skin tone. Hi, Jordan.
Video?
Yeah.
Stink meter's on TV.
Stink meter? Fuck! Dang it!
Yeah,
The J stands for Jesus.
Sorry.
I love Jordan. He's adorable. We were talking about the Boondocks a couple of days ago, so yeah. He told me it's a stink meter episode. I'm kind of mad because it's actually one of the funnier ones. Aaron Magruder was way ahead of his time with that, especially with the whole R. Kelly trial episode. That shit basically not only it was relevant then, but it's also relevant today because you see bitches are trying to bail R. Kelly out, and everybody's thoroughly convinced that R. Kelly, the Pied Piper of R&B, never diddled those little girls. Those little girls had consent, but yet Michael Jackson, who had parents' consent, oh no, he's a monster. I'm like, they're both monsters, but that's neither here nor there. Because regardless of whether they're monsters or not, their music was and is good. So I'm not gonna like freaking take them off my Spotify just because, oh, they're in my list period and da 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 da. And I'm like, but bitches are like obsessed with Ted Bundy, so ask me if I give a damn. Like, really. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the highlight because apparently right here in the corners when I try to fix it, it just did not fix properly. So maybe if I throw some highlight and contour, this might change things, and I won't have to deal with that. Okay, so I used Fair Neutral to highlight my highlighting points. I'm going to be using Tan Sand for the contour because it's a very light, subtle contour, but once it's all blended, it actually comes out really, 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 really nice and natural. So we're just going to pop this on very carefully and blend. And then we're gonna grab our Airspun. We're gonna grab our fluffy brush, and we're just gonna set it and forget it. Now, if you don't know what that set it and forget it thing is, then you're too young for me, bro. Okay, next we're gonna go right into contour. We're just gonna grab this palette. You already know what it is. I'm broke, so I can't get rid of it. And we're just gonna contour the face. Okay, so now that we've pretty much got the whole entire face done, we're just gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab this brush, only because the last color on it was like super light. So I'm just gonna go right into this green color, and we're just gonna smoke out the bottom line. Okay, to smoke it out more, I'm just gonna grab that teal color and I'm just gonna go in under that green and then bring it out. Okay, so we're almost done. We're just gonna go into our NYX Fard Ombre in Sweet Springs, and if I can get this fucker open. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just add a base layer of highlight. I feel like being bougie today. And we're just gonna grab our Benefit High Beam, and we're just gonna put that on our highlighting point. Buff with a beauty blender because this stuff dries really, really quickly. Unnecessarily quickly, too. So Okay, so now we're gonna set everything with our Morphe Continuing Mist Setting Spray. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because I don't want my hair to get fluffy. I just straightened it. Boy, does that stuff smell good. Okay, so now we're gonna let it kind of like dry a little bit. But we're gonna do some other stuff while we're at it. And you know what that is? Do you know what I'm going to do? You know what yo voy a poner? Highlight. And we're gonna grab our Morphe M510 brush. We're gonna hit up Emerald and go crazy. Okay, for lips, I didn't want to really take too much away from it, so we're going to go right into our NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Copenhagen, and we're going to actually put on our Patrick Star MAC Sweet Mama Star Amplified Cream Lipstick. So let's get started. And this is the completed look. I just did a simple little green glam. As you can tell, the highlight is popping. I'm just working with what I have because I am the broke beauty guru for a reason. I'm really feeling my hair. I've been trying this new stuff called Coco and Eve. Stay tuned because I am actually in the middle of filming. I already tried it on my hair twice. I'm going to be trying it on Trigger's hair. So I wanted to do like not only first impressions on a female's perspective, because of course this is definitely targeted towards females, but I wanted to get a male perspective because men have long hair too. Men want to be able to like take care of their hair, and I want to see if, you know, because our biologies are only different by gender, that maybe it'll work on Trigger's hair, because he does have kinky curly hair. He is Mexican. I'm Puerto Rican, so we've got that Latino kinkiness to our hair. So with that being said, stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, please share with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Gibson, 4/5 connection. Yo, rest in peace.